Hi, my name is Maruchi van de Veen from Down to Health, and welcome back to the course. In the last video, we opened a new document from PowerPoint, selected and customized the template, and I showed you how to add and delete slides. Now, in this video, we're going to add and delete some text boxes, going to learn how to rearrange the slides, and adding some comments to the slides. So let's get started. So as you can see, we already have 2 slides from the last video, and in the second slide, we're going to add a new text box. So it's very simple. All you need to do is, there you go to Insert right here, and then you click on Text Box. Click on it, and it allows you to draw a text box. So that means that you press the left mouse button, hold it, and then drag it as much as you can. It's not very visible at the moment because the line is black on a gray background, but it is there. The moment I let go, you will see it. There it is, your text box. Now in this text box, I'm just going to write text box on it right there. So this text box, you can move to wherever you want. You can drag it like this, put it in here. You can make it smaller or bigger. You can do pretty much everything with it. You can also format your text box, and you do that by going to the Drawing Tools Format tab that appears whenever you're working with a text box. So let's see. How about we make it the same kind of blue as this thing right here? Not with the fancy stripes, just, the same kind of blue. Let's try that. So as you can see here are some standard styles that you can pick from. And by pressing this down button right here, you can see that there's many different kind of styles. And what do I see here? The same style as that we've used as a template. So let's actually, no, you know what? We're gonna choose a different color. Let's go for orange or red. Let's go for red. It's a little bit, visible. So now you have the red text box. You can also give it an outline if you want. So, you know what? Let's give it a white outline. And we can also have some effects, such as a glow, or you can actually rotate it in 3D. Let's try that. Ooh. Now, as you can see, it's already changing by me hovering over this. Maybe that's not a 3D thing. Let's make it into a nice glossy button. So now it looks like a button. Perfect. Now, so this is how you put in text and style it a bit to your liking. You'll notice that when I click on it, the effect doesn't show, but when I click away from it, it looks like this. So that's something to keep in mind, that when you're doing this, you might not see the effect, just to make it easier for yourself to read the text properly. So that's how you add text. Now, say you have a text box like this and you wanted to delete it. It's very simple. You just click on the box, so it's selected, and you press either delete or backspace. So, well, delete obviously deletes it. However, backspace also deletes it. So that's how you delete a text box in your new slide. So how about, let's just add another slide, as we've learned how to do before. Nice little header. And we're going to type in subject 1, and then some extra information. There. So we have our slide. But I want to change how these are ordered. Again, it's real easy. What you do is you press the left mouse button on you press and hold the left mouse button on the slide that you see here in the preview, press it, and then you can drag it up and let it go when you're at the place that you want to. So that's it. That's really easy. You can drag the slides however you wish to. So another thing that you might want to do is get your comments in. So there's two ways to do that. One is by left-clicking on whatever slide you want and add new comment. It will bring up a sidebar on the right where you can comment whatever you want. So for example, needs a proper name. There. So now that comment is stuck to this, and you can see that it has a comment by this little icon in the top right. It will not be visible once you do a presentation, but it will only be visible to you once you're working in this environment. So that's how you add it. To remove it, you simply click this cross right here, and the comment is gone. Another way to do it, of course, is by using this header right here, and as you can see, it says comment. So you can insert a comment like that as well. Let me just put it there and then remove it yet again. That's how you add a comment. Now you can see that, let me just give it another comment, needs name. You can see that if you are working together, you can always add comments for other people to see. And there's also a nice, neat little reply section right here, so someone can answer your comment on the slide. Now, this is only useful if you're working together with someone. If not, you can basically skip this. So, to review, we've had the, how do you say that? The text boxes. We've talked about making rearrangements and adding slide notes. So in the next video, we will start with pictures, inserting pictures, tables, external links, managing sections, and working with outlines, and I'll show you how to get into presentation view. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.